Hey everybody, welcome to your next class with me. Check the roster, so all of you been in courses before, so with me, so you know I do these videos every week and give you a little picture. Now, depending on when you watch this, it may be before or after July 4th, but anyway, hope everybody had a good holiday weekend and everything, and so that's why I show that. I'll also show you one of my back in the day pictures, back in my Army days. If you haven't figured it out, this one's me here in the middle. Um, the stuff I was doing in the Army back in my days, we'd be deployed to places like Thailand or the Philippines. And so this one's in Thailand, but, July 4th there was just a regular work day, like Thanksgiving, Christmas. So depending on when we were deployed, we didn't do the holiday thing. So, but anyway, just a little bit of tidbit of information there for you. Um, okay, so tax accounting. First thing, just want to go over the book. As you know, you go in here, dun, 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 you click again. All right, and so here, here's the book. All right, so what I do here, I just want to make sure everybody's clear on that. So here on the left, you go part 1. That's where the first 2 chapters are. If you click on that, you got chapter 1, chapter 2. You click on chapter 1. Go in there, and then you got all, you got your readings. Now, when you get into homework, it's going to say questions and problems for discussion. So, depending on how you want to do it, for me, one of the quick ways is to do, once I'm in the chapter, I hit the search. I hit again. Oh, where'd my search there? Oh, okay, it's over here. And now I would just type in, questions and problems, and then do the search thingy, and it will bring up. And you scroll down until you get to somewhere down here. It's going to be in here, like under the part 1 part. And right there, see, it says questions and problems for discussion, chapter 1. So that might be an easier way to do it than scrolling all the way through the chapter. And then there you go. And then, so there's that part. And then when we get into the actual homeworks, all right, so you got the different questions. So questions and problems or discussions. That page 7, I don't know if that's the right page or not, only because, let's see if it is. Okay, yeah, page there. But see this, so if you go by page number, it won't work for you because this was an edited book, so it has a different page number. So like, if you were to put in page 2017, you wouldn't end up here. So that's why I'm just showing you that way to do it. Might be a little easier for you. Alrighty, so we got that. Dun dun dun. Okay, and then you got chapters 1 and 2 this week. You got your presentations, the homework, and the quiz. And what else do we got here? The discussion. Dun, 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 when you get in there, covers. All right, this is like about taxes and about whether what would be the less costly thing to do a federal national tax, sales tax. So that's the discussion. On the presentations, chapter 1 covers the let me move this over a little bit. The types of taxes. So so that's pretty straightforward in chapter 1. You got different types of taxes. Chapter 2. Okay, tax policies, standards, a lot of information here, and you've been with me before, so I always tell you definitions, terms, concepts, things like that. So make sure you're looking at that. You got different things in here, some little interesting quotes depending on your point of view about taxes. But things like this, standards for a good tax, these are types of things that you're looking at for how to do a good tax and so forth. So it's all in here. This may or may not be a class you enjoy because it's taxes and business taxes and so forth. So, but hopefully I'll make it enjoyable for you. Let me make sure here. So there, I'm just, real quick. So that was it. Important part was making sure the textbook, because it's a different type, it's a modified book. So making sure you can get in there. Otherwise, as always, you can go ahead and, we've been using the inbox system, or you can text me or call, or email if you got questions or anything. So again, great seeing all of you again, familiar faces, and so shouldn't have any problems. Just, let's just, you know, get it going. And as always, I do my little test question for you, so you can let me know what's going on here. Alrighty, and with that, and I think everybody already knows who this is, so um, that'll do it. All right, everybody, have a great week. Get in touch if you need anything. Take care. Bye.